guys are so good. Hey, which part goes in the middle? Yeah. Hey, everybody say thumbs up. Thumbs up goes in the middle. That's right. Which part goes on top? Bye.
Charlotte DeLake from the Evans County Library in Claxton, Georgia, and I thought he did a very great job, and I've had feedback. It's what a wonderful job he did, and we'll be glad to have him back.
It's a carrot. No, horse is not a carrot, it's a tool. Oh yeah. Okay. I think it is a banana. No, horse, it's not a banana or a carrot, it's a tool. Okay. That can't be right because I thought that the orange, wait, and that's attached to that, and this is attached to that. Oh my goodness, and that's attached to that. I'm so confused. Wait a second here, look. Hold it right there. Got it perfect just like that. You're going to wave this over the whole crowd just like that. Okay, just like that. Hold right there. Perfect. You got that one. Okay.
Hi, we just had our program with the amazing Jeffini, and it was awesome. The kids loved it. I loved it. We got that reading message across. It was awesome.
Second here. Everybody, come on. Oh, don't erase anymore. No, don't erase anymore. Oh, no. You know what happens when you erase too much? You erase the whole house.
All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Amara Pugh, the music teacher at Mableton Elementary School. I just want to say that we had an awesome time seeing Mr. Jeffini the Great. The story of filling others' buckets and being buddies to each other was a great learning experience for our students. We had an awesome time seeing this awesome show. If you haven't seen it yet, you need to make sure your students get the opportunity to see it.